And yun na guys, nakapag-transfer na tayo ng pera from GCash to Connect to Card. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel, and for today's video, tuturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-send ng pera from GCash and other banks to Connect to Card. So, simulan natin. Para sa first step guys, open nyo muna yung inyong Connect to Card application. And then guys, mag-login lang kayo. And kapag na-open nyo na guys yung inyong Connect to Card application, scroll down nyo lang and hanapin nyo yung fund transfer. So ito siya guys, tap nyo yung fund transfer. And then dito guys, tap nyo yung account ninyo. And then dito guys, lalabas yung tatlong option. And ang pipili nyo dito guys is yung pangatlo, yung interbank fund transfer via InstaPay. Tap nyo yan guys. And then dito guys, meron ulit lalabas na tatlong option. So ang pipili nyo dito guys is yung accept transfer via QR. Kasi mag-accept tayo ng funds from GCash and other banks to Connect to Card. So tap nyo yan guys. And then dito guys, lalabas yung account details ninyo and account name. So dito guys, sa transfer amount, pwede kayong maglagay ng amount na inyong marireceive. Pero ito guys is optional lamang. So kahit hindi nyo na muna lagyan ng transfer amount is pwede. So kapag okay na guys, tap nyo na yung submit. And then dito guys, mag-generate siya ng QR code, which is kailangan yung i-save or i-screenshot. Dito guys, pwede naman siyang i-download. Kaya tap nyo lang guys yung download QR code. And ma-save na ito guys sa inyong gallery. So kapag okay na guys, na-download na natin yung ating QR, pwede na muna tayong mag-exit sa Connect to Card application. And then, mag-open naman tayo ng GCash. So guys, kapag na-open nyo na yung GCash nyo, tap nyo lang yung QR button, yung nasa gitna. And then dito guys, lalabas yung QR scanner. And tap nyo yung upload QR. And then allow nyo lang, and hanapin nyo na guys yung QR code na sinave natin kanina. And itap nyo ito guys. And magkaprocess siya, and hintayin nyo lang guys. And then dito guys, ilalagay nyo na yung amount na gusto nyong isend sa inyong Connect to Card. And yung ibang details guys, kagaya ng account name, account number, is automatic nang ilalagay ni GCash based dun sa na-scan na QR code. So kapag okay na, tap nyo na yung send money. And dito guys, i-review nyo lang yung bank transfer. And kailangan nyong itap yung I confirm that the details are correct. Kapag okay na, tap nyo na yung pay button. And then guys, makaka-receive kayo ng authentication. So kailangan nyo lang ilagay yung OTP dito. And kapag na-receive nyo na guys yung OTP, ilagay nyo lang siya dito and tap nyo na yung submit. And yun na guys, nakapag-transfer na tayo ng pera from GCash to Connect to Card. Guys, hindi lang to applicable sa GCash. Pwede rin ito sa ibang e-wallet kagaya ng Maya and other digital banks na nakakapag-scan ng QR code or QRPH. So, i-check naman natin sa ating Connect to Card kung na-receive na natin yung pera. Open natin guys yung ating Connect to Card. So, para makita natin guys yung mga pumasok na transaction sa ating Connect to Card, tap nyo yung mini statement and tap nyo yung select account number. And select nyo guys yung account ninyo. And tap nyo yung submit. And then, lagay nyo guys yung mobile pin ninyo. And tap nyo ulit yung submit. So yun na guys, dito makikita natin yung mga naging transaction natin. So ito guys, yung transaction na ginawa natin. Kita nyo dito, InstaPay transaction. And yung amount is 300. So yun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple mag-send ng pera from GCash and other digital banks to Connect to Card. Yun lang guys for today's video. Sana may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na ito. At kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na ito, huwag nyo kalimutang i-like, comment, and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga bago naming ilalabas na mga video. Salamat guys sa panonood. Ingat kayo.